If you don't want to change your life, you may leave this video, but if you want to change your life, this video is for you. Watch till the end and follow this simple process. Before we move forward, just make a note. No one can change your life other than you. Only you can change your life. So let's start. Make a list of all your goals which you want to achieve in next 1 month or the upcoming 5 years. Once you have noted your goals, now assume that you have achieved it. You have achieved all the things. Now observe the difference between the behavior, routine which that person undergo. Now compare yourself of your present version from that future version and note all the changes, like now you get up too late but that person get up early. You eat unhealthy food, fast food which gives you fake happiness, but that person eat healthy food and are very health conscious. You are very distracted and don't focus on your work, but that person is focused and do his work, complete his task on time. You spend your day scrolling, but that person spend his day by reading books, by learning new skills. You sleep while scrolling reels and then sleep, but that person keep his phone aside 1 hour before sleeping. Once you have noted down, now what next? Just start following this timetable. Start making these things your routine, because your future is decided by what you do today. What are your habits actually decides your future. So form good habits. Start following routine which that your future version follow. This will literally help you to achieve all the things which you actually want to achieve. Now the very easy and efficient way of making good habit is just follow identity process outcome theory. We usually follow outcome process identity theory. We first focus on our outcome, then we go for the process, then we shift our identity. But we need to reverse this process. First we will shift our identity. We will assume ourselves, we will become the person which we actually want to achieve. We will shift our identity, then focus on the process. We will do each and everything which that person has done to achieve, to reach at that level. Then we will focus on the output. This will literally help you to form habits easier, form better habit in a very easy way. So if you don't understand, let me explain with my own example. I want to achieve 17k subscriber by the end of this academic year. So I will first shift my identity. I will assume that I have already achieved those 17k subscribers. So I will do the things which a person with 17k subscriber will do. Like I will consistent with my quality of content, regular uploadation of the videos, and I will write a good script, and I will introduce new and interesting topic which will actually motivate and help my audience to become the better version of themselves. So this is the process. Then only I will expect the outcome. Then only I will expect those 17k. This will literally help me to gain those 17k to achieve my goal very easily without even much efforts. Like I need to show my efforts, but I will not be that frustrated, which I will be by following that reverse theory. One plus point for my audience who have watched till here is, once you start this, initially you will feel easy to do it because you will be in your motivation and you will do it very efficiently. But as the time passes, you will feel it difficult. You will feel to quit. But that's the point which will separate you from that 99% that will bring you to that top 1%. So choice is yours, whether you want to be in that top 1% or you want to be in those rest 99%. So if you really find anything interesting, please follow this process. This will literally help you to form good habits, make your life better, and achieve your goal easily. Subscribe my channel if you learn anything from it and if you find anything useful from it.